Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, you probably have like a Xiaomi phone or a Poco phone or something like that. So this is probably like the first video I've made showing you guys how to customize your device. But this is a real video I really wanted to do, and I couldn't help it once I saw how sick this application was. Well, this first thing we're gonna do is boot up the phone, because I want to show you the boot up animation that comes on the phone when we have the theme. But if you're new to the crew, do me a favor, subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So we're gonna just jump right into it. I'm gonna one of the reasons I love Android over Apple or any other operating system is the customization of it. And Poco is one of the best phones for customization. You don't have to root your device to customize it on a Poco device, because everything on here is gonna be really easy and straightforward. They put a lot of themes on here. You can customize the icons, the themes, the wallpapers, the ringtones. So here's the power button right here. I'm gonna go ahead and boot that up so you can see this animation. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is gonna be crazy. So you can see right here, that's the first piece right there. And then I'll show you the setup and the name of this theme that we're gonna be talking about. I just had to make this video because it's so sick. And if you have a Poco device or a Xiaomi device or something like that, then you can also take advantage of it as well. So let's just go ahead. I'm gonna wait for the screen to boot up. You can see it says Poco. Now this is the sick part. Look at this theme. So it says Android Live. It says that it's the One Plus, and then look at this. You can see the it says Never Settle right there. It's like it's almost you're doing like a reset or something, or a quick boot. And then you can see that just looks crazy right there. So when I first set it up, I was like, what? And then this is the screen you get when you get a message. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you get a text message real quick. Where's my other phone? So let me just lock the screen right now. Oh yeah, so that's what it looks like. The message just came in, and you can see right there. It does more than that when you get a message. It does way more than that. Like this whole thing happened. Let me try that one more time. The message came in late. Let me see. Yeah, the message came in late because the phone was booting up. So I'm gonna send that one more time. Okay. So that's what it looks like. So you get this boot up screen, but then when you see this boot up screen, there's this little lock button right here at the top. So you're gonna hit that. But first, let me just show you how you get this theme. Let me show you. So you go into the theme store right here, go to themes. It's gonna be located right there. And then what you want to do is essentially just go right here where it says profile and themes. And that's where all your themes will be. And this is the Cyberpunk 2077 theme. So all you have to do is go into themes and then just go into the themes icon, and then go to search and then just type Cyberpunk 2077 like that, and then hit search. And then this is the one right here, where my finger is above it right there. So that's the one you want to click, and then you could just apply it. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay a single dime, but you could see how it looks right here. Everything looks really clean on here and everything like that. So let me go ahead and lock the screen and then just show you that lock screen option right there. You click that, and that's going to be the hidden area. So it says right here that you can lock screen tutorial, some welcoming messages and annoying messages. You can get rid of those, or you can add those to it. You have the clock style, so it lets you change the day of the week, temperature, never settle, time, or original. I just kept it on day of the week. That's what it was on originally. And then you can put a display message, or you could just leave it blank as well. You could also do the graffiti wallpaper. You could leave it as default. Violet, red, teal, or green. I left it at the default one. And then you have right here adjust lock screen for wallpaper. So you could do that as well. You also do get these double tap on the lock screen to reveal or disable it, which is pretty cool. Then you can music album art back color, will automatically change the album art on the wall screen, the lock screen, and you get the display music visualizer on the bottom. And then you get like all these visual effects. So you get always on display, 15 seconds. You could disable that if you want. You also do get always on ambient display. So you could disable that if you do so desire. Always on clock. So like I said, that's going to be the clock. You get notifications. Switch position of battery of display. You could do that as well. And if the animation stutters a lot, you could turn on the light mode, it says right here. So you can do the light mode on this. So these are all the settings for this app. So I just wanted to show you that, but it's really sick. It has a really nice layout to it. You can see the icons have their own customization to it as well. And it just looks really sick when you're unlocking your phone. You get that sound. You can hear that sound every time. And that's what the lock screen looks like. You can also get to your camera shortcut and your phone shortcut as well. So this thing has a lot of cool features on it right there. That's the sound that it makes. Let me do that that text message one more time so you can see that come in. So I just sent it. It should come in right now. It's usually more sophisticated than that. Like it does a lot more. But for some reason it's not doing that right now. But you can see right here, the notification is behind there. You can kind of play around with that. So you got like this fake fingerprint sensor on here, which is kind of cool. So they added that little fake fingerprint sensor. Double tap it to turn it on. I turned that off on this phone because I don't want it activating. So you could remove those fake messages now, and you can see the date, time, and day on here. And then that fake and display fingerprint sensor is actually pretty cool too. But this is just a quick review of that theme. I just wanted to show you guys this theme on my OnePlus device. I really, this is the main theme I've been using right now. I might switch it up, but I really like it right now on the Poco X3 NFC. So let me know what you guys think about this theme for the Poco X3 NFC. And if you also do have a Poco or Xiaomi device, let me know which one you're using right now. But I definitely like the customization that Poco offers. I like the fact that they have that theme store and that all the themes are free on there. But let me know what you guys think about this theme. Will you be downloading it? And let me know what theme you're using on your Poco device, because I want to check out some more themes as well. I think that's one of the really fun parts about smartphones, is that you can customize them. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'll show up in the comment section right now so we could discuss themes and the Poco devices and just, you know, stuff like that. But hopefully you guys are chilling right now. I'm gonna see you later. I'm gonna see you in the comment section right now. So I'm gonna get right back with you. But make sure you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.